Hello. There is a old African saying which says that if you want to run fast, you run alone. If you want to run longer, then you need to run with a team. Similarly, given the fact that longevity of life is increasing, given all the changes in the medical world, you need a team of assets to support you for your long life. Uh, the other way to look at it is if you look at team games, like for instance, cricket or a hockey, there are certain players who play certain roles very effectively. And then as a team, collectively, they end winning the game or playing a very good game. So applying the same analogy to assets, there are many assets which will do well in a certain period, and there are some which will do well in some other period. And it's very difficult to predict what they are. And one of the most important decisions as an individual or an institution you make is on asset allocation because you have various goals, different type of goals. Some could be short term, some could be longer term, and you also operate within certain constraints or what we call risks. Taking both this into account, you need to identify assets which will help you reach your targets, both the short term as well as long term. And as you can see from the data provided, that each year a different asset class could do well. And it doesn't help to try and predict which will do well over the next 1 year. So you need to have an asset allocation model, decide broadly what are your goals, what are your constraints, and where you should invest. And as you can see over long periods, all the asset classes have played different roles and may help you in future as well in meeting your targets. There have been numerous studies by academicians, universities, which again highlight this point that in the financial decisions you make, asset allocation is one of the most crucial decision which will help you meet your return targets as well as your long-term goals. So do let us know if you would like to understand asset allocation a lot better. We'll be happy to chat with you. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.